everyone, welcome back to Hands-Free Studying for the MBE, brought to you by Brainscape. These upcoming constitutional law questions cover executive power. Okay, let's get started. Question 1. What are the main powers of the president? Found in Article 2, Section 1, the main powers of the president are enforcement of laws, commander-in-chief, appointment powers, removal powers, pardon powers, and the power to veto. Question 2. What are the president's appointment powers? The president can appoint high-level officers with the advice and consent of the Senate. Question 3. What are inferior officers, and how can they be appointed? Inferior officers are officers whose work is supervised by superiors that were appointed by the president and confirmed by the Senate. Congress can delegate power to appoint inferior officers to either the president, who can then appoint them without the approval of the Senate, to the courts, or to heads of executive departments. Question 4. Can Congress directly appoint federal executive officers? No. Congress cannot appoint officers of the United States. In other words, officers with enforcement or administrative powers. Question 5. Can Congress remove an executive branch official? Only by impeachment. Question 6. What are the president's removal powers? The president can remove high-level executive appointees without cause. There is an exception, however. The president must show cause to remove either an officer performing a judicial or in a quasi-judicial role, or officers appointed for a statutorily specified duration. Question 7. Can Congress limit the president's removal power? Yes, Congress can statutorily limit removal to only upon a showing of good cause for officers appointed for a specific duration of time. For example, a special prosecutor. Question 8. When can federal judges be removed? According to Article 3, Section 1, federal judges can only be removed by impeachment and not during good behavior. Question 9. What are the president's veto powers? Article 1, Section 7 says that the president has power to veto any law passed by both houses within 10 days of receiving it. If the president doesn't veto within 10 days, the bill will automatically become law. Question 10. What is a pocket veto? A pocket veto happens if Congress adjourned during the 10-day veto period and the president failed to act. In this instance, the bill will not automatically become law. And that's the end of your 10 flashcard study round. To reach full mastery, remember to study in Brainscape. Our mobile and web app uses the latest in spaced repetition techniques, allowing you to optimize your study time and track your progress down to the finest detail. But of course, when you're driving, cooking, exercising, or otherwise unable to navigate the app, be sure to keep listening to the rest of this hands-free studying playlist. No matter what subject you're learning and what method you're studying it, Brainscape helps you rise to your challenge.